Sometimes, we may want to change a continuous variable into an ordinal categorical one, or to merge the categories of a nominal variable. In SPSS, this type of transforms is called recoding. And we will show you in this video how to do it. In general, it is best to recode a variable into a different variable, so that we never alter the original data, and we can easily access the original data, if we need to make different changes later on. To recode into different variables, click Transform, then click Recode into different variables. The window of Recode into different variables will appear. Click Old and New Values, to specify how you wish to recode the values for the selected variable. A new window will appear. For example, we want to classify company by revenue per employee, a variable created in the previous lesson of computing variables in SPSS. To do this, click Transform on the menu, then click Recode into different variables. Now, double-click on variable revenue per employee to move it to the input variable field. In the output variable field, type the new variable of revenue level, and click Change. Then, click the button Old and New Values. Here, we will set some rules of recording new variable. Firstly, for handling missing values, in the old value area, click System Missing, and in the new value area, type Unknown. SPSS will recode system missing values to unknown. Then, click Add. Secondly, check the field of range lowest through value, and type 10, then in new value box, type low. SPSS will recode all values less than or equal to 10 as low. Thirdly, if we want to create a range, check the range field, and then type 10 through 14, then in new value box, type medium low. SPSS will recode all values in that range to medium low. For a specific number, check the value box, and type the value we want to recode, for example 15, and in new value box, type medium. The value of 15 will be recoded to medium in new variable. Fifthly, check the box of range value through highest, then type 16, and in new value box, type high. SPSS will recode all values greater than or equal to 16 as high. Finally, for the other values, check the box of all other values, and type none in the new value box. SPSS will recode any value that is not explicitly accounted for by the previous recoding rules, as none. Then click Continue, and OK. Now, we can see a new column that show the revenue level of each case. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.